If you've blocked someone in Telegram and now want to reverse it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unblock someone in Telegram on your PC in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy process, and once you know where to look, you can manage your blocked contacts anytime without confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Telegram on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon with the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can find your account settings and privacy options. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside the settings page, you'll see several different categories related to your Telegram account. What you want to do next is find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls who can contact you, who can see your details, and who you have blocked. After that, scroll until you find blocked users and click on it. This will show you a list of everyone you've blocked on Telegram. Now, locate the person you want to unblock in that list. Once you find their name, simply click the unblock option next to them. As soon as you do that, Telegram will remove them from your blocked list, and they'll be able to contact you again, depending on your privacy settings. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully unblocked someone in Telegram on your PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you've changed your mind or need to reconnect with someone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.